Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can make a piping bag by filling a resealable plastic bag and cutting the corner off. If you don't have a plastic bag, you can cut a triangle out of parchment paper and fold it into a cone. If you want to store any leftovers, use a plastic bag since it can easily be packed away.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ways to frost cupcakes without a piping tip. 1. Use a plastic Ziploc bag. Using a Ziploc bag as a piping tip is fast and easy. 2. Go old school with a knife. One of the easiest ways to frost a cupcake is with a knife. 3. Dipping the cupcake. The 28th of September 2017.
Take our lead.
The answer is yes. You need a gallon-size Ziploc bag, duct tape and scissors. Simply fold the lower bottom corner of the bag up to the opposite corner of the top of the bag and secure the line with duct tape. Once you've done this step, you can fill the bag with frosting. 18 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
To frost the cupcake, scoop out the frosting using the cookie dough scooper and drop the frosting on the top of the cupcake. Then spin your spoon or spatula in a circle, pushing the frosting out to the edges as you spin the cupcake. That's it. The 30th of July 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A pastry bag, or piping bag in the Commonwealth, is an often cone or triangular-shaped bag made from cloth, paper, plastic, or the intestinal lining of a lamb, that is squeezed by hand to pipe semi-solid foods by pressing them through a narrow opening at one end, often fitted with a shaped nozzle, for many purposes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.